In this video, I'll guide you through how to log into a WebEx meeting. Whether you're joining for a virtual class, an important business meeting, or a casual chat with friends, getting logged into WebEx is your first step. So let's dive right in and make sure you're all set to join your meeting seamlessly. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to webex.com. This is the main website for WebEx. However, you'll find all the necessary tools to get started. Once you're there, take a quick moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It can save you time in the future when you're in a hurry to join a meeting. Now look towards the top right corner of the home page. You'll see a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login page where you can access your WebEx account. If you're new to WebEx, this might seem a bit daunting, but don't worry, it's quite straightforward. Once you're on the login page, WebEx offers you a few different ways to sign in, making it convenient based on what accounts you already use. You can choose to continue with Google, Microsoft, Facebook, or Apple. This is a great option if you prefer to keep all your online activities linked through one of these accounts. Simply click on the option that suits you best and follow the prompts to log in. Alternatively, if you prefer using your email address, you can do that too. Look for the option that allows you to enter your email address, type it in carefully, and then click Next. It's important to use the email associated with your WebEx account to avoid any hiccups. Once you've done that, you might be asked to enter your password. Just type it in and proceed. And there you have it. You're now logged into WebEx and ready to join your meeting. Make sure to check your email or calendar invites for the meeting link or ID that you need to enter the specific session you're attending. Logging in ahead of time can help you avoid any last-minute technical issues and ensure you're present right when the meeting starts. If you encounter any issues during this process, double-check your internet connection and make sure your browser is up to date. Sometimes, simply refreshing the page can resolve small glitches. Additionally, WebEx has a helpful support section on their website should you need more in-depth assistance. So whether you're meeting for work, education, or just catching up with family and friends, you're now equipped with the know-how to log into WebEx with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a smooth and successful meeting experience.